Right, good morning. A very old Centurion D3. So the Centurion D3 gearboxes had a plastic main gear. I'm just going to quickly show you. The clutch wheel is out, so we can put it now in gear. Good morning, everyone. Today we're here in Springs, going to replace a very old Centurion D3 that's given service, and we're going to quickly fit in a second-hand D5 Evo for the client. So stay tuned and let us show you how we do what and where. First things first, proper stopper is here on at the back. Gate rail is nice, wheels are turning freely. Gate rollers are still fixed in position. Right, let's get it done. You can say old, and we can say it's gold. So the old platform, you have a steel base plate, and then the gate motor base was placed in level and was welded down good. We're just gonna make sure by just re-welding it and making sure that it is in place for the new gate motor. Good to go. Platform is in. We've reinforced it at the back. We've also painted it a primer paint to prevent rust from forming and eating away. I'm just going to now quickly fit the gate motor and get that into position. Let's quickly have a look here. Gate motor has been secured upright and level and parallel to the steel sliding gate. Now, if you look at all of our videos, you'll see that the steel gate rail is cut off. There's a pretty good reason for it. Some people do it, but we don't do it. We fit the gate motor, get it in place, and then we weld the steel rack onto the steel sliding gate. You do it once, it's right, it's done and dusted. And we've also welded the steel gate rail into position. Just look at that welding there. What a joy to work on a gate that's free running, very light. So it's going to enhance the life expectancy of the gate motor itself. There we are. So let's quickly program the gate motor limits and then hand over. But we'll test it first. So before you connect your battery, just check your charging voltage and see that it's above 13.5. And you know your lead acid battery will be charged fully. Now when you program the gate motor limits, you'll see that the gate motor initially will run slowly, find the end stop, then it will stop, reverse, run slowly until it gets another end stop, then it will speed up, run the whole cycle, and when the gate motor is done, it will ask you if the gate is open or closed, and then you select it, that it's open or closed, and then you wait for the center bar button to tell you to press it to complete programming. You can speed up this crawling process to a turbo state. We don't do it. We don't like doing it. But you can see there the amount of current being used. Right, is the gate open? No, it's not open. We select it. There's your current that's being drawn with the running of the gate motor. It says setup complete, press the middle button. You don't do it, your settings will not be programmed. And that's it, you're done. On the left we have the older, or the very old Centurion D3 gate motor. You can see the pinion gear broke off, but the main gear inside the gearbox split open. So let's quickly look at our gate motor. Just stand a little bit away, we can quickly get a nice view on it. Let's test it. You've looked after, maintained, serviced, this gate motor will last another 15 to 20 years. Quickly have a look at it that way. These are the guys that you need to contact if you want your gate motor properly installed. Pottie 083 778 2288 or Amanda 083 719 2250. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Also watch out for our new website that's coming soon. Starting to build it, smartgates.co.za.